Hello and welcome to Charlie's Desk. Today we have another video for the low vision division, and I'm in the kitchen today, and I'm just going to talk about this low vision cutting board. And you can get this from MaxAids and off Amazon, and it is black on one side and white on the other. And this is useful for low vision because you can create higher contrast situations when you're cooking or chopping or sorting things. So I will just do a quick demonstration of something that illustrates the usefulness of this, cooking aid. All right, so I just chose some mozzarella because that's white. Right now, the white face of the cooking board is facing up. And, when I put these two pieces of cheese, if I had low vision, it's very low contrast. The cutting board is white, the cheese is white. It might be hard to locate if I cut something, into smaller pieces, which I'm doing right now with the cheese. It might get a little lost to me if I had a contrast sensitivity issue, which some folks may have. All right, so now I'm going to pick up the cheese and flip it over the cutting board so the black side is facing up. And I'm gonna lay out the cheese again, my mozzarella. Maybe I'm making a pizza, maybe I'm making bruschetta, who knows. And the cheese stands out a whole lot more when it is against the black background. And so this just makes it easier for me to see what I'm doing, to sort things, and that is just one example. So basically you can make a choice for which side of the cutting board to use based on the color of what you're chopping or sorting. Let's say I was like sorting pills for the week or something like that. I could put them out on the cutting board and they would stand out to me. It might make it easier to sort. So yeah, just a quick little video. You can get this cutting board on Amazon or MaxiAids. You can just Google low vision cutting board. Low vision cutting board should get you there. And yeah, there's lots of little simple things for the kitchen, and just simple principles, right? Like using high contrast makes it easier to see things. And if you have low vision, you want to use high contrast and lighting to make your life easier. So yeah, this has been Charlie's Desk. We had the low vision cutting board on the desk. It's like an 8x12 small cutting board. One thing I don't like about mine is because it is basically like a white piece of plastic, and like food grade and all that stuff, adhered to a black piece of plastic. I don't know if this has caused mine to warp, and so you can hear it rocking there, which wouldn't make it that great for sorting things. But this happens. Maybe it's just mine. But I'm not getting any money for this, so I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. I like the idea of high contrast. It's nice, it's something you can buy. You could also just get a black cutting board and a white cutting board that you like better, that won't warp, or just something high contrast. All right, have a great day, folks. Bye.